Let me tell you about this issue. This gave fight a stripping label device. How to remove label paper. First, pull out the fixing rod of this base paper recycling shaft. Then you can easily take out the label backing paper. Next, press the ejector rod on the right. Lift up this peeling plate. Remove the label paper. Press the screw in the upper right corner. You can lift this baffle. It is convenient to remove this label paper. Finally, loosen the screw. Remove this cardboard round board. Just take out the whole roll of label paper.